In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Loop template in just 5 minutes. We'll keep this quick yet detailed, focusing on every step so you can feel confident creating and using templates in Microsoft Loop. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred internet browser and search for Microsoft Loop. This is an easy step, but just double-check that you're actually on the correct web page for Microsoft Loop. Once you've confirmed that, the next step is to sign in. You'll want to ensure you're using the correct credentials tied to your Microsoft account, which is essential for accessing your files and templates. If you've already got an account, simply enter your email and password. If not, you'll need to create one by following Microsoft's straightforward registration procedure. Once you're signed in, you need to navigate to the page you want to save as a template. This could be any page you're currently using or have previously created on Microsoft Loop that you think could serve as a standard layout for future projects or tasks. It's a good idea to review the content and structure of the page to confirm it's suitable for duplicating later. Now, let's turn to the page sidebar on the left side of your screen. Here, hover your mouse over it. At first glance, it might seem like nothing's happening, but as you move your cursor, you'll notice 3 little dots appearing. These 3 dots are your gateway to more editing options within Microsoft Loop. They'll reveal a host of actions you can perform on your selected page. The next part is quite simple, but crucial. Click on those 3 dots, which will display a menu of additional options. From this menu, the option you're interested in is Save as Template. Select this, and voila, you have successfully saved your current page as a template. This option is particularly useful for recurring formats or content you often need to reproduce. Using templates can seriously streamline your workflow, saving you time in the long run. Remember, the process we've just walked through empowers you to create templates effortlessly. Templates not only enhance productivity and consistency in your projects, but also save time when working on repetitive tasks or collaborations. By integrating this into your routine, you'll be able to focus more on content creation rather than starting from scratch each time. That's all there is to creating a Microsoft Loop template. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it adds efficiency to your digital workload. Thank you for watching, and feel free to pause, rewind, and replay this video as needed. Until next time, happy templating!